Oh yeah, guys, may I remind you? So this will be the main thing in here will be a workshop. So you may want to have two screen, okay, maybe one for the meeting and one for the coding that you will do. Maybe you want to join this through your phone so you can see or your iPad or something, and so you don't need to switch window every time. Thank you. We will start at 8:15. All right, guys, let's start this. All right, thank you all for joining this workshop. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Aditya. I am from Faculty of Computing. I'm a second year now, from degree of software engineering. All right. Let me say thank you for all of you for joining this. Here we will be learning about Google Cloud. What is Google Cloud Platform? And it's just not learning another tool. It's about giving you the key to supercharge your academic projects and your career. And now we won't be doing just theory because we will do the real coding. We will put just a simple hello world website, but we will put it in. We will use Google Cloud as the host of it. So let's start. So first of all, before we are starting this, we need to know what is cloud. What is cloud really? Basically, when you are using your device to store any data, that's local. But when you want to put it in someone else's server, let's say for iCloud, like Google Drive, it's all cloud, right? Instead of using your own phone, instead of using your own laptop, you will put Google's or Apple's their data center to store your data. That is what cloud is. So what about in the context of Google Cloud here? Now, uh, instead of storing your photos, your file, your assignments, you will store your system, which basically not only PDF, not just a Word. You will store a system, you will store your code, and all of that in Google Cloud here. Now, and that is what cloud is. We are using or renting another system to host our program. And why do we use it if we can use our own? We don't need to rent, right? So first of all, massive power, right? Imagine you run a heavy simulations, you train deep learning AI modules, or you are rendering a 3D graphics that would normally crash your laptops or even take days to complete, days from minutes, hours to days. You will need the time, and instead you can use the cloud, use Google's uh, fast running CPU, their huge memory, where maybe your own laptop does not have that. And also collaboration. You can collaborate with others, put your code or put your database. Let's say if you have a database course now, your database will be local, stored locally in your laptop. What if you want to give it to your friend? You will give the code itself and you give it, but it's not stored in the cloud. So when you change it, you have to send it again. But when you use cloud, you can collaborate seamlessly. And for the last one, zero cost, this is not 100% zero cost because, of course, we are renting, so we need to pay. But in this context, I mean, zero cost means as a student, you will get free credit. Like I have sent it to you. If you, like in the Telegram, let me see again. Yeah. So when you join this as a Google Cloud Innovators, let me resend it again. Okay, in the group, or I put it in the chat actually. Let me put it in the chat. Oh, copy. All right, you join this, and then you link your Google account with it. You will get 35 credits for Skill Boost. Now, what is Skill Boost? We will know it later. Okay, let's uh, let's finish this first. The slide first. All right. And another one, resume. Okay, about our future. Of course, as a student, a university student, of course, we want to polish our resume. We need to have a future-proof resume. A lot of companies now will regard a cloud skills. How do I know that? Many companies now use cloud as their architecture. Okay, they use cloud. And you remember a few weeks ago when the internet died, the internet just down. You cannot open Twitter, you cannot open it, and turns out that uh, many companies use cloud service. At that context, it was Cloudflare. It was done in AWS, right? So that was the example of the cloud that will be really regarded in the future. That's why putting it in your resume will boost up your resume. You can also put your portfolio like I did. I put my portfolio, web portfolio site and I host it in Google Cloud. So every person in the world can try to access it, right? Now, what about for academic use case? Final project. Let's say you want to put your web apps or your backends for real users, and where do you put your system? Of course, not in your laptop. Maybe it will take a lot of power, or maybe you need a more far huge, far larger, far bigger computing process. So that's why you use cloud. And then for data research, you can use BigQuery to analyze massive data sets. Instead of taking hour, you can only take like seconds with BigQuery. Open source, you can contribute to global projects hosted in the cloud infrastructure. All right. So now for the job market reality now, 90% of enterprises use cloud. So of course, if you have cloud, if you have cloud on your resume, you have a really good skill in the cloud uh, architecture, you're really experienced, you will be required in the future. This is for navigating the GCP console. Let me share you how it is in the real world scenario in the Google Cloud. So first of all, let me uh okay, wait, I'm changing tabs here. All right. Let me change the share screen, present something else. I will present this one. Okay. Now this, right? Okay. This is what the Google Cloud console will look like. Okay, don't be overwhelmed. This is simple. I won't go into details, but I will just explain to you what each of these does. Okay. Actually, you can try to access this yourself, but let me give it to you first. This we'll give it in the here. Put this into open. Where's the chat? Settings. Your screen. Just okay. Wait, where's the chat feature? Put this in the chat. Okay, never mind. I will put it in the Telegram. Okay. When you try to access that in Telegram, console.cloud.google, you will get this display. So first of all, let's do a tour from here. All right. Let's Google Cloud, welcome. So first of all, this one is the most important. Okay. This is will be your project in the in your account. So let's say you want to make a new project. Oh, I want to make my FYP. Okay. And then just create it. Okay, must be three. Okay, FYP 2027. Okay, so I've made new one. It's being made here. So that's just how you make a project. So what do you do in your project? Let's say you want to rent, how do we rent a computer here? Or actually, we will do it together. So now I will show it to you how where is my this is my instance. Okay, I will make it. I will start this. So what am I doing here? I am starting the machine somewhere in Southeast Asia. I don't know where it's located. Maybe Singapore, maybe Malaysia, and start it. Okay, it's starting. Now I have put mm, my program, which is my portfolio, my static portfolio, in this machine, and it's already started. Started. It's supposed to be a green tick. Let's reload this. Okay, this is running. So that means the machine is already running. It it now it's hosting my own web server. I can copy the IP and then uh, if I put it here, wait, oh, I have to change it then. Okay, I will change the presentation now. I will give my window. Okay, okay. So this is I put it here. So this is my web portfolio here. Okay, already here. So this all hosted in the cloud, in Google Cloud, and that's what happened. All right. So that's it. Let's back to the slide. Go back to the slide. Okay. Now that was how I put my own what's it called, my own portfolio in the cloud. Now, what is IaaS? This is infrastructure as a service, software service. So SaaS, software as a service, which means software. It's complete applications that delivered over the web. Yeah, let's say you are downloading Netflix, you have Netflix, you have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have email, document collaboration tool, you collaborate on Google Docs, and you can just use it. It's SaaS. But what we are doing now will be infrastructure as a service. Google Cloud give us the service so we can make our own infrastructure. Okay? Can so SaaS they give us the software, but this they give us this no SaaS they give service, they give it as a shape of software, but this one they give us a service in the shape of infrastructure. So this Google Cloud is an infrastructure. You can do many things in Google Cloud. So now okay, let's go back to I have not done sharing to you about the Google Cloud tour. Let's do a tour here. Okay. It was compute engine, right? So let's start from the important one, billing. All right. So when you try to, when you try uh, accessing this, the one that I sent in the group, and you try accessing this, and you have not sign into Google Cloud before, you won't be able to open this because you have to put a real money payment method. Okay, you have to put the card and everything. Here I have this because I put my card, but as a beginner, you will get a 3 months free, $300 credit. So let's say when you are renting, let's say it's $1 a day. So you get $300, so you can run your system for $1 a day for 3 months. After that, you have to pay. And I have 16 days remaining. Which is that's just the example. So let's say for hosting this, uh, for that one, I hosted for like weeks, I think, because I forgot to turn it off. Let's see. Reports. Okay, out of this was equivalent of $300 at that time. Last 90 days. So you can see here, this is all the costs that 73 ringgit, 8 ringgit for networking, 8 ringgit for manager, right? And that's what the billing is. That's you can see the overview of how much you have to spend. And after that, there is a marketplace, right? Marketplace where you can buy all. Oh, you can use AI agent. You can use OS, Red Hat, Ubuntu. You can get generative AI. You can use other databases in the marketplace. So it's really good. And the Vertex AI, this one is really fun actually. In Google Cloud Skills, there is a path that you can learn about Vertex AI. So here it basically means you can get an AI model, and let's say you want to make a chatbot about your product, and of course you want your chatbot for the product to be how do I say it? Your chatbot will be only talking about your own product. Okay, so you modify and you train the model to do whatever you want. Okay, so it's not a general AI. What Vertex AI is, and there are a lot of other features here. Compute engine where you want to rent, right? We have Cloud Run. We'll discuss it later too. Is will be the last of our activity. Okay, and then the other one is not so important for our beginning. All right, let's go back to the slide. Okay, now this is will what our workshop will be, right? So we will first launch our computer. We launch the VM. We rent the computer. We put the program in, and after that we clone it, which means let's say we want to run another computer, but it has the same program, so we don't have to put another program in it. And manage instance group, we'll discuss later and what Cloud Run is. Okay. For now, let's open. I'll share my window, actually. Skills.google. All right, now the workshop is begin. Guys, can you open this? Okay, I will, okay, skills.google, give it here. So, this view, okay, just access it, guys. It's in the Telegram group. You can click it. Okay, I will wait 1 minute. Oh, 10 seconds, I guess. Only opening, opening a link. All right. So let me change to my, I change this. Change account, sign out. Set my usual account. All right. All right. Now you all of you please go to the settings, okay? And then go to subscription and make sure that you have 35 here, okay? I have 350 from other events, so you should have this one. Star 35. Can you thumbs up if you have it? Okay. Thank you for the reaction, guys. All right, you all have it. So now let me explain to you what this cloud skill is. Okay. So for Google Cloud, All right. It's a real infrastructure. It's like VS Code where we do our work. Okay. But Google Skills is like Coursera or like another AWS certification. And then Google has cloud skills. So in this one, you can get many certifications. You can see the path here. Okay. Dashboard, you can have a lot of course. You can learn about many things. And then you go to path, which you can see your career. Let's say you want to be a cloud architect or data engineer. Let's say cloud engineer. Okay. There are a lot of labs. See, course is material, and then you will have lab, which you will do the real thing, 7 hours, 1 hour, and it's all free. No, some of the lab are not free, where you can pay by credit, which you will get 35 credits a month from joining the thing that I shared you earlier. So that's really like a win-win solution, no? So that's what the cloud skill is. So why do we use cloud skill instead of Google Cloud? So in Google Cloud, in order for you to try what I did, you have to put your paying method, right? It's really inconvenient. And you can only have it for 3 months and then you have to pay. Or if you have other means like say you join an event, you get free credit, maybe you can get to. But for this workshop, what you do is you will hear uh uh I will share this. Okay, share this. This is one of the lab. Okay. Or if you cannot, if you're not in Telegram group, maybe for some reason, you can compute engine. Okay. You can search compute engine lab. All right. You can search compute engine lab. Look at this one. Host a web app on Google Cloud using compute engine, 1 hour, 30 minutes. So what you're doing is, this is a lab. So you have to do something. So what happened here is the Google skill will give you a temporary account, a pre-made account with pre-made password that you can use to access this. No, access this. Yeah, you can access this. And you can create this without paying because you are essentially. Okay, wait, it's not this one. Sorry, this is live credit. I think this one. Host a web app on Google Cloud using compute engine. Host. Hit this one. I think it's this one. This one, right? It's only one credit. The same time too. 1 hour, 30 minutes. All right. And you can use this too. So what's the difference between the lab? So actually in the lab, there are many things that you have to do, and then it can know which one. They will tell you what to do based on each of the lab. Let's say you are learning Google skill and then you want to try it yourself, you can try it here. But for this workshop, we will start the lab and then we will do the things ourselves. Okay. So you can say we are like hijacking the Google, this one, as long as we pay, I mean, right? It's only one credit anyway. We have 35. So let's start this one. Okay. So you only need to start lab. All right. You can hear me, right? I think my headphone was, the microphone was turned off. All right. Launch with one credit. So we are now going to access the Google Cloud. Where is this here? Start lab, launch. Let me reload. Should be running, bro. Oh, wait. I think it's something. Okay, it's loading. Right, guess we need to start lab. All right, launch with credit. Let's launch. All right, finally. Now it should be running. Okay. Now, okay, when you open, don't just open it because in lab, because you are getting a temporary account, they will give you not the they will give you temporary account. So when you open this, you have to right click and use incognito mode. Okay. Oh, present something else. Yeah. Okay, I'll share my entire screen then. Okay. This is the incognito mode. Right. All right. Okay. This is the incognito. And then this will be the display. Just agree. So it's like you are doing the real thing, but we're actually using temporary account where you don't have to pay to. Okay. Is everyone okay? No no difficulty, right? Can thumbs up again. I open the chat here. Why is there no chat here? All right, now this is the chat. What next after click start lab? All right. This you start here, right? And then you open this. You right click and then open in incognito. Okay. In my browser, it's called in private. So if you're using Google Chrome, use incognito. Press this. Okay. Private window. Because you have to use incognito. So you're using temporary account. So it doesn't conflict with your real account. That's why you use incognito. Okay. Is it done daying? Okay. All right. So I take it all is already here. You can see here. This is the same display that we did before in when I show it. Okay. It's all good. So now let's start our first part. All right. So first you will need to go to compute engine and go to VM instances, this one, okay? VM instances. Open this. Oh, wait. Okay. All right. So this is the instance, which is the machine that's in the machine that's somewhere that Google Cloud has, and there's nothing here because we haven't rented any machine. So what do we do here? We need to create an instance, right? So we click this, create instance. Create instance. This is the virus. All right. So machine configuration. Yes, just chat me if I'm going too fast and you're is behind. Can always chat or open your mic. It's okay too. All right. Let's put the name. So what name do we use? We want to make hello world program, right? So hello world server in the server. Okay. So the name of the machine would be hello world server. And then for the region, only this one. Okay, I think it's maybe because we're using the temporary account, the region is only available in the US. In the real system, I could use the one in Southeast Asia. For the zone, you can put any. Okay, ABC somewhere. We don't know where is any of this is. Let's say we're using A. It's up to you. You can use any. Now, what is this? Machine types. So when you're doing different thing, when you're doing different tasks, of course, there are machine that's good for doing certain tasks. That's why there are a lot of machine here. Let's say you want a system that you want to host it in the machine that's running consistently in high performance. So you use C4, or you want the flexible, optimize in cost, use N4. So there are a lot of machine types. And of course, the rent price is also different. If you want the lowest cost, it's E2, right? You can see the difference here between the CPU, the memory used, the platform. Yeah, some use AMD, Intel, Google Axion, all of that. And then down here, the machine type, which you already use E2. And then let's say you want the one that only have 1 GB of RAM, micro. So we are using the E2 medium here. Medium, $28. Let's say we want to change it to micro. So it's less memory, less CPU. Okay. See how much will the rent be. Hmm. Only $7.33. So look, how is it really different based on the machine that you use? So that's what the config machine does. Now, let's continue to OS and storage. So the OS, make sure that you are using Debian, which is the one type of a Linux, because we will use Linux OS for putting uh, our code, our software. We will use Linux. Say if we want to change, yeah. I mean, all of them is already Debian anyway, so you don't need to change anything here. Sure, it's Debian, okay? So this is disk. We will change this in later part 2, okay? Protection, you can just ignore this. Now, this is crucial. So, uh, by default, Google will block your software in the machine. So the public cannot access your program. But here, so if you want public to access it, you will need to allow this one, okay? You need to tick this, allow HTTP traffic, okay? That's what you need to do. So let's start from the from the start. We need to modify the name, put the region, the zone, and what machine do you want? And after that, what's the machine type? Okay. And then you change the networking. You take the HTTP and yes, security. You don't need to change this. Advanced, yeah. It's all. That's all. Okay. Create. Now you press this create here. See down here. Why HTTP and not HTTPS? You can use HTTPS just for the sake of our own. Just for the sake of this, we only need HTTP. Even if we take this, we don't need this actually, because how we access it will be through HTTP. So you just need to create this. Okay. it takes some times uh, to ready up the system. I mean the machine. If you're lucky, it's only 10 seconds, 20 seconds. If you're not lucky, it can be until like 5 minutes. It depends on the traffic. Uh, it's thumbs up, guys, or thumbs down if you have problem. You can put it in the chat. Okay, now it's running. Okay, now the instance is running. Name. This is the name. This is the IP. All right, we are done, and half of the part one, which is readying up. Okay, guys, can you put thumbs up if you're okay? If you're done and it's tick, is there any problem? All right, thank you. Now, IP, this is the IP, and we can access this program inside the server. Just copy this, okay, and then you open a new one. But there won't be anything because we haven't put anything. Okay, so that's why we have to put it inside. Okay, in my case, I put my web portfolio. I put it in here, but in this workshop, we will just put the hello world so we can see how it's hosted in the cloud. All right. Now, in order to do that, click this SSH, guys. Okay, SSH. Need to click this. This will open the in-web console. SSH. Authorize. Authorizing. Loading. All right. So this is the Linux OS command line here. So we used Debian before, right? So this will be the command line, the SSH, the console itself. So first of all, we will put so let's type here sudo apt update. So what does this mean is sudo means you in every Linux, I think it's in Linux only or not. So basically in Linux, if you want to do like an admin level process, you have to use sudo. And then apt means like the app store. You want to put all the app needed and update. So you put it in this machine, right? Sudo apt update, enter. All right. So now we have updated. We get some package. Okay, we update the package, and now we will download. No, we will install a web server inside. Sudo apt install Apache 2. Install Apache 2, which is the web server name, and then -y. Okay, -y, which means yes. Okay, put it here. Oh, I will put this in the chat. Yes. Oh, oh yeah. Now what I put it here. Install Apache 2. Okay, okay. Hey, apt install Apache 2. That's why. All right. Now it's downloading the Apache web server. 98. Come on, come on. All right. Now it's done. So we have installed the web server. So now what we will do is we will put the hello world inside the our server, right? So how do you do it? Type echo and then double quote. Let's see, hello world from Google Cloud. Okay, hello world from Google Cloud. Okay, and then you will need to put this right, this thing. I don't know what this is called. Like this vertical line, it's put above the enter in the keyboard. Okay, and then sudo t and then the index location bar slash triple w slash html slash index dot html. Okay, and then okay, echo hello world. Okay, you can see here. I will put it here. I e bar html index. Okay, you can see in the chat, guys. So I just need to enter this. Okay, hello world from Google Cloud. So this means you already put this in the web server. All right, now just need to close this, and then you copy this external IP, copy this one, and then you put new one. Okay, search, enter, continue to site. It's not HTTPS. See, it's already here. So now let's say you okay. Can you guys like one of you their IP here and let me access it from me? Okay. So we want to uh, put it. I mean, I want to try if I can access your web server. Okay. Just put this external IP. Copy this. Okay. Let's try this one from Amar. This 136. Okay. Enter. Continue to site. See? So now we can access this from anywhere on the world. Let's try this one. Okay, another one, last one from Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali, let's see. Continue. So it's done. So we just put the Hello World website, very simple, on Google Cloud. See, it's that easy. All right. So that's what we did. All right. So that's what the cloud host machine. Now we're done with part one, right? Let's see now what we do now. Uh, Part one, part two, clone. Oh yeah, we need to clone the VM. Clone. Okay. So first of all, let me explain to you why do we clone this, right? Let's say we have this. We have a program. We have we have we already rented a machine in 4A, all right? And then let's say you want to use another one in another zone, but with the same content. You want to use other machine in another zone. Let's say this is US, you want to use in your machine in Europe, in EU, but you want to put, you don't want to code anything again because you already did in here, okay? What we did was very simple. Maybe we can just do it another time. Let's say we are doing a very complex thing, very complex, and then of course we don't want to do it again, and we want to clone it. So this is what we do. Okay, wait, let's see. Okay, there's nothing here. So this is part 2, which means we will be cloning them, right? So first of all, we need to stop this first. Okay, stop this. It will take another time to close. We need to clone. We want to make another machine with the same content. So this is what we will do. Hmm. Loading. It's always loading for cloud. If you're doing a lot of cloud or doing a lot of AI machine learning, so many waiting. Can grab a snake. Someone want to ask something? Mm-mm-mm. Okay, stopping, still stopping. Mm, I guess we are on the unlucky side now, taking a lot of time. Well, good. Hey, stop. All right. So the instance already stopped here. So we will do a cloning. Okay. Can the free credits be used on our own console instead of through? No, that's the thing. The free credit is for Google Cloud skills. So we cannot use it on the real Google. If you want to use it like for 3 months, you can take the free it's called the free plan, like a trial for 3 months. You can get a free $300 credit, right? Does that answer your question? All right. Uh, okay. Okay. Now let's start for the cloning. We stop it. And then here in the sidebar, we will uh, um, click image. Their compute engine. There should be an image. Okay, here. Finish. All right. So you put this, click this under storage, and then there is images here. Click this. Okay. In compute engine, storage, images. That's here. Okay. So all of these. So what is image? Okay. Image is a template that we use to clone. Let's say we want to clone and put the clone in the machine. In order for put the clone, we need a template. So we need to make a template first from the image. Okay. Okay. Click the create image here. All right. Create image. For the name, let's put hello world template. Okay. Hello world template. And then for the source, yes, make it disk. Now for the source disk, we use hello world server. Hello world server is uh, the the machine that we made before. So we make a template based on the machine that we did before. Okay, which is this one, right? The hello world from Google Cloud. Hello world server. For the location, you can choose regional. You can use multi-region. Based on the US, let's say we want to put in. I think just put it in US because I don't think this temporary account can use another location. Yes, use US. Okay. Then just ignore all of the other one. And then yeah, that's it. You make a template with this and then create. Okay. now. Okay, we need to wait for this again. Need to wait. Okay. Oh, there's an error. There was an error. Oh no, what happened here? Oh, yes. Yes, it's okay. Okay. Why is it an error, yeah? Wait, let's see. Any of you guys have this error? Or it's only me. The lab is still going. Okay, let's reload again. Okay, I will open this again and put this private. See. Okay. Okay. All right, we're back. I will go to the one that we had before. I don't know what happened here. Let's close this. Close. All right, where was that? Compute engine images. Mm, got it. Okay, so it's already created. Hello world template. So this is a template, which what the clone of us will be. Okay, this template is based on the program that we did before. So now we will go to VM instance and we create another instance. Okay, but this time we won't be we won't need to code. We just make it and make the CPU based on the clone, and that's it. Okay. Let's say we make this hello world clone. Okay. The region. Okay. The region is anything is okay actually. Zone anything's okay. And what? Let's use the high performance one. I've never tried this one. I think there's no difference anyway. Okay, it's okay, it's free anyway. Okay, so the difference is for the OS and storage here, you will you will press the change this. Okay, so now it's using a default like a default OS. Now you will change and Debian operating system Debian one for the custom image here. Custom images. Okay, you put hello world template. This is a template that we had before. Now we select. Now the hello world template is already. Now we have put it in the operating system. Okay. So that's it. That's how we clone things. Okay. Allow HTTP. Okay. HTTPS. Allow all of you. Okay. Create. Just need to create this. That's it. We just clone this hello world server. Okay. Oh, request that provision cannot be smaller. Oh. Oh. Maybe it's because I use the expensive one, I guess. Let's make another one. Okay, make another one. Hello world clone. Okay, it's this one. Okay, I'll try this one. This change stem this right. Done. The clone and allow. Great. Okay. So from this, we just finished. We make a new clone. Okay. So, okay, while waiting for this, let me repeat again. Why do we do this clone? So this clone, we want to make a new, we want to use a new machine in a different region, maybe. And we don't want to put all the program that we need manually again. That's why we use the clone. That's why. Okay, while waiting for this, let's discuss. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's done. Copy this. Let's see. Will we have it? Yeah. Let's go. We have a new one. From a different one in the different zone. This is A, this is B. Okay, we are done with this. Okay. Uh, we will have like a 2 minutes break. Need to. Okay, have something to do. 2 minutes, guys. And then we will proceed with this part three, manage instance groups. Okay. Okay. Uh, Nachim Nani, can you do it? Is it okay? Say the one in Telegram. Can ask me now before we begin to the next part. When I try to get it, it did not work. Always show me not free. Oh, To check it, click my always show me not free. Subscription. Google Cloud. Wait. I think someone has a problem in the this one. Right, Google Cloud. Uh Subscription. Oh, so some of you haven't even get the okay. This one, you go here, settings, subscription. Okay, let me share this. Okay, this one should be going okay to your exactly. That's subscription. Oh, you have to go to settings, then subscription. Uh, okay, not it's not this subscription. You have to go to this my account and then settings. This one, okay, and then subscription. This one, okay. It's not all right. Okay, for Hatim Nani. Oh, I don't know actually about that. I think there's something wrong when you do that. No worries. Uh, we'll try to uh we'll try to look for it after this workshop. All right. Now we need to move out to this one. Okay. Let's go to part 3, which is manage instance groups. Okay. Manage instance group. Wait. Let's go back to this. All right. So what is managed instance groups? Let's say you have multiple server. You have a server in zone A, zone B, zone C, but they are individual. So uh, if one of them is deleted for some reason, maybe the server's down. There's a meteor that come to the server and the server is just down. So it's just deleted, and there's no system that knows that it is deleted. So if we have a group, there's a group of server, and we delete one server, it will automatically generate a new server. Let's say we configured that in one group there should be 5 instances. So let's say we deleted 2 instances. It will delete it 2, and then the group will automatically regenerate the two new instances. So that's what the group instance group is. Okay, that's what it's for. So let's say here, select your VM. Okay, let's stop it again. Okay, I should have stopped it before I take a break. All right, stop it. Let's just immediately go here. Okay, instance group. All right. So in instance group, you first let's go to create. So okay, instance group is in this navigation, compute engine, and then instance group here. Okay, here instance group here, and then create instance group. All right, all right. Let's put the name. Let's say our instance group name is Hello World Group. Okay. Description, don't need to put that lah. If you want, okay. Uh, oh, okay, okay. Sorry. Before using it, you should make the template, but it's a different one. It's not the same template in the image. You should put it in the template images. Is it right image? Instance template. It's an instance template. Oh yeah, this one. Okay, instance templates. So this one. It's not an image. It's a different one than our part two, guys. Okay, we need to create a template first, and then we create the group. Okay, let's make the template. Uh, let's say, yeah, hello world group. Yes, hello world. Hello world group. Right now, group is the group name. Hello world. Individual group. Can put anything, guys. It's up to you. You don't need to follow me for the naming. Hello world individual group, and then for the location, use global. Oh, I think we can. I just use regional. The region. Okay, use US. Just use the same micro so it doesn't take a lot of time. And then the word. What else? Here, uh, set it up. Okay, we have this. You don't need to change. You don't need to change. Placement, container. No need, no need. Okay, this one. The firewall, the thing that we did before. So just take this. Okay. Stop. Nice. HTTP traffic. Now we need to create. Just need to create. So let me repeat. Change the name and then the region here, and then for the E2. Okay. Then we create. All right. Okay. Now we have the templates. So after this, we need to do something here. Okay, we have the template now. Okay, we have the template to put in the group. So let's put it in the group, guys. So the thing, instance group. Okay, Git engine, instance groups. Go to instance groups, create one. Now, hello world group. Okay, now we have the template. Okay, hello world individual group. Okay, so you can choose stateless, automatically managed group that do stateless serving, automatically managed group. Yeah, it's ignore it. And this one, location. Okay, single zone. Nah, right? We want to put it in multiple zone. That's why we multiple zone. Let's say this in Northern Virginia in the US, and there are 3 zones there. So because of that, how many instances that we want to have? Minimum. Let's say I want to have three, because there are 3 zones. So each will be in their zone. One is zone A, one is zone B, and one in zone C. Okay. Uh, of that you can, yeah, just that, and then you create. Is that right? Maximum. You can go to the other one. A 3, a minimum of 3. Let's create this. Okay. Need to wait. What's this? This is notification. Create instance. Stop VM. Okay. All right. Okay, this is the group. So we now are waiting for it. Okay, we are lucky. Only take like 10 seconds. Now, if you, okay, let's go to instance. Okay, VM instance. Look at this. This is the first one we did in part one. This is the clone, and this is the group. See? So there are three new instances that was made automatically from the group. And we have this, right? Let's copy this. Let's try one, the one in zone C. Okay, let's go. Okay, continue. Oh, what happened here? And there's something wrong. It should be like this. All right, try another one. Maybe, oh, the template I put it there. Oh, okay, I forgot something. Okay. I think you guys have this problem too, right? I forgot to put, okay. All right. Let's go back. Thumbs up if you have the same error too. It doesn't show this. All right. Yeah. Uh, let's since group. Let's close this group. Stop this group. Stop this. We will make a new one. Uh, no, we need to make a new template actually. Let's go to template and then delete this. Delete this template. Nah, not. Oh no, I can't delete this. Let's create new one. Create new. Yes, make this hello world. Hello world new. Make a new one. New template. Okay, same one. Same micro. Okay. What I forgot to change was the boot disk. Yes, this one. I forgot to change this. Okay. Same thing with it. Forgot to do it. Image, a lower template. So the template image we made, we put in this instance template. So the one we did in part two was the image template, the program template, not the instance template. What we are doing now, we are templating an instance. Okay. So we put the image into the instance template. So we make a new instance template. I forgot to do this before. That's why it didn't show hello world. Okay. Now take this. Okay, it's all good. It's all good, right? Done, micro done, new done. Okay, great. Let's go. Hello world new. Okay. Let's make a new instance groups. Okay. Oh, I don't need to delete this lah. It'll take more time. Let's just create new one. Uh oh wait. I think we can just can just uh customize this. Our group details. Can we be able to do it? Okay. Just create new one. Okay. We create new instance. New instance group. Hello world new group. Okay. Hello world new group. Now we use the new template. Okay. Don't use this one, guys. Let's see. The this is hello world template, not Debian. This is the default one. Forgot this. Okay. All right. Multiple zone. H. No need to change. Scaling. Okay. Change to 3. Okay. Set. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Great. This. Mm-hmm. Creating new one. So after that, we just finish part 3. Oh, successfully created instance. Okay, it's still processing. 2 instances. Scaling to 3. Let's go. Let's go. 3. Okay, still loading, guys. Scaling. Is it still loading or not? Let's look at our instance. Oh, you're loading. Still. Ah, what? Is our lab done? No way. Is it still going, right? Our lab was 1 hour 30 minutes. It's all the time. Mm-hmm. I mean, part 4, we don't need all of this. I can make a new lab. There. Mhm. I think that's the thing, yeah. New group. This instance is being stopped. Yeah, let's stop this instance. Okay. Delete. Let's look at this. Oh, this VM is being created. Oh, still loading, guys. One instance is being created. 2 are being created. New one. Is it this one? I use this or this. Oh, okay. Still being created. Let's look at our instance. Okay. It's done. Stop, right? Okay, this is the old one. Let's see this one. Serial IP. Be good. Continue. Yes. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Nice. Okay. Now let's try. Oh, there was an error. Oh, okay. All right. I think because our yeah. Okay. Yeah. At least you know how to do it, to do the project. So I wanted to show, actually. I wanted to show if you delete that uh if you delete it, it will automatically respawn a new one. Yeah. But the down is done, guys. Is it done for you? Start lab. We need to start again. Okay. For the part 4. Thankfully the part 4 doesn't need the part 1 code. So it's okay. Right. Don't need this now. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Let's close this. Okay. Let's use another one. Uh, it's only 1 credit. Let's do another one. Okay. Yes, just one more. Launch with 1 credit. Because part 4 is really easy. It's actually easy. Let's okay. Let's start this. I will Cloud Run. Okay, Cloud Run. What is Cloud Run? So it's a serverless container platform. We have been using VM. We are using machine, and we configured them ourselves. We need to you need to choose which zone we need. But with Cloud Run, all we need is a Docker. So what's a Docker? Uh, Docker is basically a wrap thing. You have your server, and you wrap it in Docker, and you put it right. You put it in Cloud Run. Okay, so you don't need anything. You just put your your app, put in Docker, and then the Google Cloud Run will give you the URL. It's really easy. Let's try it now. Okay, open a new tab. I mean new incognito. Okay, don't forget. All right, all right, all right. Let's go to Cloud Run serverless. Serverless means it doesn't mean it doesn't have server. Of course, it does have server. I mean we don't configure the server. Google will configure it themselves. Okay, let's go. Uh, go here, and let's go to Cloud Run. Okay, and then Cloud Run here. All right. Hey guys, you okay? You can make the new one, right? The new one. Can thumbs up if you make the new one. I mean the new lab. Do the new lab. Just go here. Make a new one. Okay, wait. I'll give you another one. Let's go here. Okay. Access that. And then go here, start lab, and open in incognito, guys. Don't forget. Okay. And in incognito. Right. And then in the home, go here. And then Cloud Run. Cloud Run. Oh, salah pula. Cloud Run, guys. Cloud Run. Okay. Now, Cloud Run. We will deploy. Okay, bro. Need to put the password again. What's my password? This one. Copy this password. Put it here. Next. Oh, what? No, I think it's a different. Oh my god. Okay, I forgot. This one. D4, D4, D4. This. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Okay. Cloud Run. Okay. Click deploy container. Okay. Deploy. Okay. Deploy container, guys. And then use this. Okay. Choose this. Deploy one revision from existing container image. Now, the image is the URL of your system, actually. So we just use a sample. We just want to test like how easy it is to use Cloud Run. If you have your own app and use your local Docker, this Docker, I'm sure like in the like past few weeks, there are so many Docker content on the internet, this thing. I'm sure you've seen this a lot of times. So you wrap them up with Docker and then put it here. This is the sample container. Okay. Now image. Okay. So and then now authentication. Of course, allow public access. We know we want to see it. And then billing request. Oh yeah, another thing with Cloud Run in VM, if we turn on the we run the virtual machine for 1 month. Don't care if there are 1,000 people accessing your website or no people access your website. The price will be the same. But in Cloud Run, the billing will be based on the people that go to your website. So that's the plus of Cloud Run. Request based, all right? And then we create, yeah, manual scaling, number of instance. Okay, yes, ignore that. Oh, make sure all fields are correct to continue. Which one is the issue? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Got to put region. Region, just put anything that happened here. You just create. Okay, now we are creating. We are not using the hello world, guys. It's just some sample from Google Cloud, just showing us how easy it is to put your app in the Google Cloud. Yes, like the name, Cloud Run. No. Okay, this is the URL. Let's copy this or just type this here. Yeah, running. See, congratulations, you successfully deployed a container image to Cloud Run. So that's what Cloud Run is. How easy it is to put it in Cloud Run. Right, so that's it. That's all of our activity here. Okay, we can close this and the lab. Okay, let's go back to the slide for the last time. Let me change, present this. Okay, now Cloud Run, how it works, it will wrap the code container, deploy in Cloud Run, and the Google will provide the URL itself. So easy. Okay, maybe you ask, why do we use cloud? Why do we use VM then if Cloud Run is that easy? Oh, there are plus and minus advantage. For example, with virtual machine, we can configure our own machine. We know, and of course, that means it best for having database for a heavy workloads or a server that's running 24/7. All right, and maybe you must update the OS. It's that's security patches, but it's slow, of course. Cloud Run is simple, pay per use. VM is constant. And VM, you can change the kernel. You can install any OS that you want. That's the advantage of VM over Cloud Run. That's like based on what you want to do based on VM and Cloud Run, guys. So free credits. Okay, this is the one that I said before. If you're new to the Google Cloud, you can get the free 3 months and free $300 in credit for only 3 months. Uh, that's not the Google skill. The Google skill is 35 free credit. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, that's all what workshop here. Uh, so any questions? Is there any questions? Maybe about other things, the skill? Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you for the clap. Is there questions? Okay, all right. Meanwhile, let's me show you. Uh, wait, it's not this one. Google Cloud skill. Oh yeah, I have showed you right there. I have showed all, I think. Google Cloud skill. Uh, yeah, it's a really good thing. You can do all of sort of things, and yeah, I get achievement here. Okay, I think we're done here. If there is no questions, I will wait for another minute. You want to ask? 2 minutes maybe to 9:47 and 46. Uh, okay. Now let's have the last. No, let's have a photo session. Okay. Right. Okay. And can all of you open your camera if you can? So for the photo session, and thank you, Wong. Ethel, are you ready? Just tell me when you're ready. All right, all right. All right. Uh, Chat when you're ready. Okay. Okay. View. Right. Mhm. Oh, you can switch the page. Okay, wait. Yeah. You can switch the page. I think that's the. You can. It's okay. Like this. In the in here, there are already a lot of people. All right. Let's do the GDG sign, guys. It's like this. Okay. GDG sign. Okay, Ethel, can you take a screenshot? GDG sign. Say yeah when you're done. Okay. All right. It's done. Thank you, guys. All right. Thank you all for joining this workshop. Uh, if you have any other questions, you can DM me. I think yeah, or you can just ask in the group. It's okay, guys. Ask. And yeah, thank you. Okay, wait. I forgot. Yeah, we put the feedback form. Okay, yes, this one. So put this feedback form to get your merit attendance link. Okay, all right. This feedback form, you can access it, right? Okay, after. Okay, only 10 minutes. We will wait until 10 p.m. for you to fill this, and then we gonna close the form. Okay, thank you. I will be in this meeting.